How to collaborate on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can collaborate on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To collaborate on Instagram is very simple. Doesn't matter whether you have a private, professional or personal account. If you're lucky, you will get that option inside of your Instagram account. So for this, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application here. Once you open the Instagram app, just tap the plus icon as you would normally do and go about choosing a photo that you would like to create, right? Once done, you can just tap the next option here and then tap on next. Now before you share it, you have to invite a collaborator. Once you share that post, it's not possible to invite a collaborator. So what you need to do is in the new post section, you'll find the option called tag people. Tap on tag people. If you want to tag people, that's fine, but since we want to invite collaborator, you can tap on invite collaborators option. Select the list of people that you would like to add as a collaborator and they will get successfully added to your collaboration on Instagram. This way you will be able to collaborate on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.